In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a single contact in Mailchimp using the Add a Single Contact option. This is perfect when you meet someone at an event, collect a sign-up in person, or simply need to add one subscriber who has given you permission. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what each field means, and share a few quick tips to keep your list clean and compliant. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account and heading to the Audience section. If you manage more than one audience, make sure the correct audience is selected before you continue. From there, click Add Contacts, and then choose Add a Single Contact. This path takes you directly to the form where you'll enter the details for just one person, without importing a file or changing bulk settings. A form will appear with a few key fields. The email address is required. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. This becomes the unique identifier for the contact. First name and last name are optional, but they're extremely helpful for personalization in campaigns and automations. If you plan to use merge tags like first name in your emails, filling these in now will save time later. The tags field is also optional, and it's a great way to organize your contacts from day one. Add short, consistent tags that describe where the contact came from, their interests, or the campaign they're part of. Think of tags as flexible labels you can use to segment and target messages more effectively. Before you can save the contact, you must check the box confirming that this person gave you permission to email them. This is required for compliance and it protects your deliverability. Only add people who explicitly opted in, and never use purchased or scraped lists. Confirming permission helps you meet legal requirements in many regions and keeps your audience engaged with messages they actually want. When everything looks good, click Subscribe to save the contact. You should see a confirmation that the contact was added. If Mailchimp flags a duplicate, it means that email address already exists in your audience. In that case, update the existing profile rather than creating a new one. If you run into an error, check for extra spaces, missing fields, or an invalid email format. And that's it. You've just added a single contact in Mailchimp quickly and correctly, with clean data and proper permission. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.